most people don't want to spend money on their HVAC system. It's a common thing. You'd rather spend it on something you want to purchase rather than something you need. The issues that prompt customers to usually contact us are going to be comfort issues, high utility costs, or when the system fails. Typically, the failure usually happens on the hottest or coldest day of the year, and that's usually because there was no maintenance on this system. Our job is to come to the table and really educate them on what their system is, how it performs, how we can improve their comfort, their efficiency, and really take care of them. Indoor air quality is huge. We definitely want to make sure we're taking care of people's breathing air. And one of the biggest things is, outside of changing the equipment, taking care of the ductwork, because everything works as an entire system, the house, the envelope, the insulation values, everything. So if part of that is not operating right, if you don't have all four wheels of the car on the ground, you have problems, and it can kind of spiral from there. So if you have a high percentage of duct leakage, so if you have air leaving your house to unconditioned space of house, you're pulling it in from somewhere else. And sometimes you can be pulling it in from the crawl space or the attic space or the wall space, and that's not necessarily air you want to be breathing. Our job is to lay out everything for the customer, a nice, easy map to follow, and this is what's going to get you there and what's going to make everything better for you. Contractors, unfortunately, will cut corners sometimes or use builder-grade material, kind of get it done today mentality instead of maybe investing a little bit more time and getting it done the right way. We have a lot of customers that when they are either shopping for a house or when they are living in a house, they're usually not happy with the comfort of how their system's performing. So our job is to go in there and kind of dive into why they have hot and cold spots in the house, or why the system's operating inefficiently, so we can really dive into what those problems are and find a right solve for them. The things that make Entek great are the culture, the core values that we have, the standards that we set for ourselves, and we always want to put our customer first and really achieve greatness for them. If you go with the cheapest bid, you're going to get cheap work usually. Typically, we're usually not the lowest bid, usually not the highest, but as far as our quality and what we bring to the table as far as licensed technicians, professionalism, we do in-house training every week for our guys. We have our technicians, our installers, and we even have sales guys in the training rooms, and we really want them to have their certifications and stay ahead of other companies, and we really invest a lot into that because we want to be able to provide the best options, best solutions, and really the knowledge behind what we're doing in our industry and what we're taking care of for customers. We really, truly care about our customers, and one of the biggest things that I've learned at working at Entek is we're not perfect. We work with machines, we work with people, but we're always going to do the right thing for the customer, regardless of what it takes to get it done.